e setse e le dikgwedi le tharo mokgatlho wa DA o eteletse pele gape toropo ya Tshwane e ne ya bewa ka fa tlase ga Botsamaisi ba nakwana fela tshwetso eo e ne ya kgapelwa thoko ke kgotlatshekelo ya boikuelo eo e neng ya kgontsha go thapiwa ga meyara o montšha fela DA ya re Botsamaisi ba maloba bo tlogetse Mmasepala o gamologile matlole.
And they came into office towards the end of March. And in the space of 3 months, an inability to stabilize the city's finances, carry on the good work that was being done under the DA administration, by the end of June of that financial year, of the 2020 financial year, the city's financial year runs from the 1st of July to the end of June. The budget deficit was then over 4 billion rand. So in a space of 3 months, that surplus that existed was sort of entirely blown.
Motsamaisi wa maloba o ganeditse seo.
They are just politicking. There is no truth in what they are saying in relation to 44 billion. When we came there in Tshwane, there was a serious underinvestment on infrastructure, and we had to see to it that we focus on that process of investing on infrastructure, in particular for those communities that are on the outline. We came at a point where the President of the Republic has declared a time for people to stay at home, which is the lockdown. We had to provide water across the entire city, including those who the city couldn't provide water. So we had to spend into that.
Bolaodi bo tlhalositse fa tekanyetsokabo ya matlole e tlile go lolamisiwa.
Critical interventions now politically are to ensure that, one, the city's core business carries on unhindered, which is the business of core service delivery, fixing of potholes, fixing of streetlights, maintaining our infrastructure, cutting grass, doing the very basics, ensuring we respond efficiently and rapidly to electricity outages and water leaks, to make sure that citizens receive an acceptable and excellent standard of service. We must be able to do that while we must be able to manage our financial costs.
Griffiths a re go dira nako e okeditsweng le gona go tlile go elwa tlhoko go netefatsa gore ga e fetisiwe. Molemo one motho SABC News, Pretoria.